Hi students, I am Baudur Kanje. Today the topic for this session is advertising and campaign planning, AIDA model. Let me recap the previous class. In the previous class we have discussed the objectives of advertising. So why we do advertising, what is the reason of advertisement, what are the benefits of our advertisement, through advertisement what the company will get, whether sales will increase or not, whether market share will increase or not, and whether it will give a new plans and new strategies to approach in the market against the competitors. These are the concepts which we have discussed in the previous class. So the learning objectives of this chapter is, this chapter aims to provide an understanding of the advertising strategy, situational analysis and campaign planning. Session outcomes. The students will be able to explain the concept of and model of AIDA model. Introduction. AIDA model was developed by Elmo Lewis. The outline the process of achieving promotional goals means this will going to outline the process of achieving the promotional goals, and it will describe the stages of consumer involvement in the advertising. What exactly the model speaks about that? AIDA model in a nutshell. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire and action. This is a model which is used in marketing to describe the potential journey a consumer might go through before purchasing a product or service. Variations of the AIDA model are the CAB model and AIDCAS model. See, AIDA model, which gives, first one is attention. Attention means we have a survey about the product and we look into the product, availability of product, place of availability, price of product, like that will give lot of importance in the form of attention. Secondly, we have an interest. Secondly, we show the interest, whether to purchase or not to purchase. Third one is desire. We'll fix it. I want to purchase, like say example, I want to purchase this particular car, I want to purchase this particular bike, I want to purchase this particular book, I want to purchase this carom board, like that we have a desire. Finally, we do action. Okay, the main finally we do the action, and the main result of this is called satisfaction. So out of that, confidence will be there. The confidence will come only once when our desire is very strong. Then we have a CAB model: cognitive stage, affective stage, behavior stage, like that CAB model. That means cognitive stage, affective stage and behavioral stage. So let me discuss the multiple choice questions which are asked in this particular above session. The first question is comparing fast sales and advertisement, trying for new experiments, measuring sales difficulties, or the option is objective of advertising, models of advertising, evaluation of advertising, developing strategy. So answer is evaluation of advertising. Second question, in advertisement we generally see a warning for cigarettes that smoking is injurious to health. It is an example of advertising. Monopoly in market, legal environment, entertainment. It's a legal environment. That means it's a rule from the government that's giving awareness to the consumers who are consuming the cigarette, and it is a duty of the companies to advertise that consuming cigarette is injurious to health, and also they have to show the hazards which the problems which the person who is going to consume is going to face it in the future. Next, Selecting style, tone, words, or making hats are part of message strategy, message execution, selecting media, and measuring communication. So, message execution. Next, multiple choice questions. Through ads, consumers used to take their purchasing decision in advance. In this way, advertisement helps in online marketing, consumer decision, personal selling, convenient purchasing. So the option your answer is convenient purchasing. Means purchasing decision in advance means in whatever mode you wanted to purchase, you will purchase. Say example, nowadays in Bangalore, the people are very busy. They purchase everything through Flipkart, Amazon, and some other online mode. Next one, think globally, act locally is a global advertising strategy on the local advertising programs and a dash of international marketing decision. Standardization drawbacks, advertisement regulation, standardization benefits, typical response. The answer is typical response. The references are same. Basha TMG, which is published by Himalayan Housing House, Public House. Then Batra, same like Prentice Hall of India. Then Kazmi, which is from New Delhi, Excel book. So thank you students for listening to this video.